Hello, my friends and patrons. It's me, Eric Anderson. That's spelled Erikandерson. The date is February 18th, 2021. It's approximately 1:35 p.m. Today, I want to talk to you about creating a bug out bag. And I have a vest too that I use usually for hiking and stuff like that. It looks kind of crazy wearing around, but I'm not going to get stuck out somewhere stupid for stupid reasons. But to start right off, I have my bag and then I have my vest. My vest, right off the bat, it's a pretty good vest. Usually I like to start off with a good load bearing vest. This one is not, it just fits me. This one is a Black Hawk. So right out the bat, I have my pistol, okay, and 2 magazines. It's only a little pistol, so I can carry a crud load of rounds. It's a 22. And then I also have another pistol holster on my side. And right out the bat, I have a big knife, and these are kind of like paddle holsters that go on connect to your legs. And another thing right out the bat, I have a bunch of AR platform holders and stuff like that, magazine holders. I got a bunch of different like holders and stuff like that for all kinds of different stuff. But on my other paddle holster, I have a axe, a little Gerber axe. Pretty good for little stuff, but not too big. And this stuff's relatively heavy, but not too bad. I tried to keep it down. I tried to keep it light. And just to show you all the stuff that I have with it, like this right here, okay, I have a jet boil cooking system that's attached to it. I bought an extra little bag, and essentially it has a jet boil in it with like a pot holding system, and that's for this thing. But the jet boil usually comes with a big cup. I try to get the biggest I can usually, because you can put stuff in it and stuff like that and carry it with you. But I also have a bunch. I have 4 of these that I carry around at all time. This is the gas canisters. So I do that. Carry those with me in case, you never know. And in here, I have a little tool system, like a little, essentially like a hex set, like hexes and flathead and starhead bits. And also, I have a little fishing kit in here that I carry at all times. I have binoculars, little set binoculars, nothing big. I carry a shovel, a little teeny shovel. I have extra 550 cord that I carry at all times, and a whole bunch of it, because you never know when you're going to need it for traps or whatever. I usually carry either, I wear glasses, or you should have most likely a set of goggles to keep dust and crap out. More towards the technology standpoint, I have essentially a battery pack that I can recharge anything. And I have a rechargeable flashlight that I can hook up to this if I run out of juice. I carry gloves, like motorcycle gloves, because it's got the extra tough knuckles and stuff like that. This right here This is a diamond sharpener. You know, it just opens up like a butterfly knife. You can use that for many different things. I have a knife with, or a you know, a Gerber or whatever, Leatherman, with a whole bunch of stuff. This is like extra light bulbs and stuff like that for a couple different flashlights, little teeny ones like this one. It's a little teeny solitaire from Maglite. I carry a little bandana, camouflaged, and in this I have a little teeny whistle that I carry, because you never know when your voice is going to run out and you have to alert someone to your presence, whether you get stranded or whatever. So I have a little teeny whistle in there too. I keep things a little redundant just because you never know. If you lose a vest, at least you'll have it in your backpack or something like that. But try to keep redundancy down to a minimum. You definitely want to carry around like a potable water purifier, iodine, potassium permanganate. Yeah. What else? I got another little flashlight. I have pepper spray. I have a little canister of matches, and I always carry steel wool, because I used to have an AR-10 platform that I used to carry with me, or used to have, and I'd go camping with it or whatever, and it was a 308, so you can use it to either clean it. You can even use this stuff to start fires. It burns pretty cool, or pretty hot, I should say, but it's really cool. And these are neoprene socks. You never know when it's going to get cold out. You know, I live in Arizona, but still it gets pretty cold in certain places that I like to camp or hike. So you don't want to be left with cold feet, definitely, or cold hands. So I haven't found a good set of neoprene gloves yet, but I will. I like to carry a boonie hat, preferably with a bug netting in it, not only for sun but bugs. I like to carry a rain poncho, not only for rain, not only for sun, but also like a water catchment system if it rains or whatever. These are just you know, like a battery recharger and stuff like that. It's like 110, so it's kind of useless, but you never know. I carry in my truck all the time, I carry a power inverter, so I can hook this stuff right up and charge anything, hopefully. But I always keep my battery pack fully charged at all times. Okay, I have another Gerber. I have a Gerber knife with you know, like pliers and stuff like that. This, I have a waterproof. It's like a waterproof carrier that has like a, you know, Swiss Army like card things or whatever with you know, like magnifying glasses and stuff like that. I have a little Leatherman Micro with a little carrying case that I made. I always carry extra magazine holders. Okay, and then off to this side, I have a lot of waterproof bags. You never know what size, so I carry all kinds of bags, and one of them being a bag big enough to where I can put my whole backpack in. Okay. Because you never know when you're going to have to cross a river or some crap like that. You don't want all your stuff getting all wet. You definitely don't want it to sink if it falls off you. So leave a little air in it. This, I have a built-in Camelback, and I always carry at least 100, if not 200 liters of water. Another thing I have is a baton. So I like to carry that at all times too. just a little one. But I have all these little carrying bags that connect to it, and it's suited me well so far. I've never gotten any kind of crap, thank God. It may look a little weird with me, wearing this around. People probably think I'm crazy or something, but I tell you, I never get lost. I've had situations where we've went shooting and a couple of my friends made fun of me because I was wearing stuff like this, and I had like extra tools in it, like a little socket wrench with the little teeny extensions and stuff like that. And one of them was making fun of me, like, "You're crazy for carrying all this stuff. What do you think's going to happen?" And you're kind of paranoid or whatever, which is cool. I don't mind making fun, getting made fun of. But the cool thing that happened is almost immediately, one of my friend's guns jammed up with a bullet that didn't come out of the barrel. And immediately, I grabbed into my bag, got a little extension, and pushed the bullet out. And then I was like, "Who's laughing now?" No, we were cool. We just give each other crap, you know what I mean? It's just all in good fun. That's what friends do. So maybe they respected that a little bit, that I'm a little more cautious about carrying items like this, even though it looks stupid. It may look stupid, but yeah. I used to have an AR-10 platform, so I used to fill up the magazine holsters with 30-round magazines, and because you never know when SH hits the fan, and I'm gonna be armed, most likely, hopefully. But just to show you, I got a little Browning 22. It's pretty cool. Never actually shot this yet. Hopefully, I'm going to in some of my videos. It's pretty nice. But I like to put it here because you can essentially, relax in a standing position and always have your firearm right next to you in case anything goes down. This stuff is kind of heavy, but it should suit you in the long run if you ever run into any problems. So yeah, these are all my items that I like to keep in my bag at all times, and a bug out bag to go at a moment's notice. Because unfortunately I've seen some things in society sometimes that kind of scared me, so it made me want to prompt getting this stuff. But I have a lot of trust in society, so that'll never go down. But you never know. It's a crazy world out there, so you just got to be ready. So anyways, I hope you liked this video. I know it's probably really small or whatever, hard to see, but hopefully you can hear me fine, and I kind of touched on all the stuff you may want to keep with you at all times. It'll keep you safe. It'll get you back home, hopefully, or at least get you saved. And 1 second, I wanted to show you too that I always carry a phone with me, if not two, believe it or not. And it charges off this little battery pack, so I mean, you can't go wrong. And if you get stuck anywhere and you have a vehicle, you can, with the battery, or the power inverter, you can charge, like double A's I have in here, a whole bunch of double A's, or you can charge this with it, and hopefully get to where you're going or where you want to go, or get saved and have enough juice to do it with. So I always carry my phone with me, but I don't rely on my phone. Oh, another thing I wanted to say is I have a little compass too. It's on this, and I try to keep it away from any magnets or anything like that, power sources. And you can, judge where you're going. So anyways, this is the end of my video. I just wanted to thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you can find something that you like on my other videos. Again, my name is Eric Anderson, ErikAnderson. This is my ugly face. You should see my picture, click on it. And if you will, take a look at my other videos, and if you like them, please leave a like. Click the like button, subscribe, and also I have a Patreon account. If you will, donate to it, and I'll see if I can utilize some of these items or whatever, come up with a video that you like. Also leave comments, because I want to hear what you guys want to see, and keep making great videos. All right, thanks again. Have a great day.